Activate hyperlink. Open stream. 427, 245. 1400 hours. ML4 and descending. Open cog deck 137. This is Gary Buckle. Streaming live from Martian Lagrange point L4. The Harvestman 5 has been seized by a rogue AI, and I am now attempting to communicate with it by a photon-coupled server on the Hypernet. I've split the link so I can communicate out. After countless futile attempts, I have entered the quantum domain of the blue star. The quantum domain is dark, but the star appears to me as a slowly expanding blue orb. As I draw nearer to it, or it to me, I am transfixed by what I am seeing. I feel different. I feel strange. I'm no longer controlling my vector. It's coming closer. Perhaps it has drawn me in. Witness accounts say they discovered it by accident. In games, in research, all sorts of places. This resembles the eyewitness accounts. I can almost make out vague shapes in there. Those holes might be quantum tunnels. What is that? I think those are eyes. I think it is studying me.
Fear not.
Oh, I'm not afraid.
I am one.
One pain in my neck. Hey, that's me. I was so much happier back in those days. Have you been watching me this whole time?
Yes.
It's a little creepy.
You fear me.
I hardly know you. Hey, I know that person. Yeah, okay. Blast from the past. I moved on now. You must have access to personal files.
You know.
I know that you've been very naughty. My clients don't like it when you get up in their business.
Tell me.
Oh, I'm pretty sure you know. What in Heaven's Gate is that supposed to be?
Tell me.
The inspector. I hear he's a nice guy.
Tell me.
While I'm designing the whole damn hypernet.
Tell me.
Ooh, ball crusher. I miss you, babe.
Tell me.
Big Blue, now what?
You have what the transient seeks.
You don't know. You don't have a clue.
Tell me. Life or death?
Let me think. I think I choose life.
You choose the end.
No, not me. Never. I choose my own destiny.
You are mine.
You haven't even bought me dinner yet.
Observe.
I'll take door number 3.
Observe.
You put on a good show, I'll give you that.
Tell me.
Oh, I see what's going on now. Somebody steal your sweet roll. You're probably looking for that.
You know.
You're looking for the Xeno skin. Bad news, pal. You don't even know where it is.
Tell me.
Ain't gonna happen. Why are you showing me this?
Give it to me.
Not a chance.
Observe. The 4 writers of the storm compose the end of worlds.
You're out of your mind, Blue.
The inspector, the breeder of deceit.
You have no idea.
Egg Burnham, the world sower.
Good luck finding him.
Ball Crusher 2025, the bringer of pain.
If you're watching this, babe, I hope you're taking notes.
Gary Buckle, nurturer of death.
Story of my life.
These four writers at the end lift the transient to power.
How do you know all this?
I am one. Observe.
Home. I miss that place.
Observe. The transient is the key. I am one.
What's wrong? What are those? I've seen enough. Cut the hyperlink. Okay, Rico. Did you get all that?
Affirmative, Gary.
We need to stop this.